Top 5 apps like Scribdcom reviews that actually work today. Scribdcom is a popular digital library, but most people get this wrong by thinking it's the only platform for ebooks, audiobooks, and documents. The surprising truth is there are several apps that actually work today to provide extensive reading material. First, Audible. Known for audiobooks, it offers a huge library and features like bookmarks and offline listening. Users praise its narration quality and variety. Second, Libby. Connects with local libraries for ebooks and audiobooks. Customers love the borrowing system and user-friendly interface. Third, Kindle. Offers both ebooks and audiobooks with Amazon integration. Users highlight convenience and vast selection. Fourth, Kobo Books. Features reading statistics, custom fonts, and cloud syncing. Users appreciate personalized recommendations and reading comfort. Finally, Overdrive. Works with libraries worldwide, providing ebooks, audiobooks, and magazines. Customers report reliable access and easy navigation. Pro tip: combining these apps with Scribd ensures you never run out of reading material. Explore multiple platforms to find exclusive titles and formats that suit your preferences. These 5 apps give readers more options to enjoy digital content efficiently and comfortably.